Welcome to Tempora. This tutorial should help you get started using the easy-to-use timesheet system for creative and professional service businesses. However, before you can start recording time worked, you need to create a password. You should have received a link from your administrator, probably sent you in an email, and the link will look something like the link shown in the address bar of this browser. You should either click on the link or copy and paste it into your browser's address bar. Either way, you will be presented with a login page shown here. Just enter a password of your choice and then enter it a second time to confirm. Then click the Go button or press the Enter key. You will then be presented with a blank timesheet. This should be for the current week. To change the date, just highlight the date in the text box and type in a new date. Or alternatively, use the calendar control shown here and select the date of the week that you want to record time for. You will note that the timesheet page is blank. Before you can record any time, you need to select a client, a project and an activity. Add that to the timesheet grid and then you're in a position to record time worked. The clients are in a list at the left-hand side of the page as shown here. If you select a client and click on it, you will expand the list of projects that are active for that client. You can see here there are 2 projects. If you click a project, that will then give you a list of current activities. To add one to a timesheet, just select the item and click the Add New button. And you can choose more than one client. There's no limit to what you can add. And here I'm adding non-client or internal non-chargeable activities as well. Having added those rows to my timesheet, I'm now in a position to be able to record time worked. And all I need to do is enter time to the nearest 15 minutes. For example, 1 hour, 1.5, 3.25. After updating the timesheet, click the Save button to save the information away to the database. Once it's been saved to the database, it's available in all reports that are run by your administrator. Those reports are not included in this tutorial. There is a facility to add a note to any item in the timesheet. To add a note, simply click in a cell to highlight it. Then click the Notes link to the right-hand end of the row. Enter your text as shown here. Then just click the Update button at the right-hand end of the row. You will note that the background colour of the cell has changed. If I point my mouse at a cell, a tooltip will display the contents of the text note. This saves you opening up the text box in order to read the note. As you enter more time on your timesheet, you will see that the total for each day is shown in the bottom row, and then in the bottom right-hand corner you've got the total number of hours for the week. When the total number of hours reaches or exceeds the standard working week, which in this case is 40 hours, a post button will appear alongside the Add New button. To illustrate that point, we need to put in more hours just to make sure that we get up to the minimum of 40 hours for the week. And you can see that the post button has appeared. When you click the Post button, the timesheet goes into read-only mode and cannot be changed by the person recording time. However, if you need to make changes, you can speak to your supervisor, who will have the ability to change posted timesheets, or he can unpost it and allow you to make those changes yourself. That is all there is to using the basic features of Tempora's time entry system. I hope you found that useful. Thank you.